What's up, YouTube? I'm back, Nissan Maxima guy, with another video. Right now, I'm gonna remove my driver's side fog light. It's an OEM fog light, I think. Yeah, this is OEM fog light. Gotta remove this and check it out. Make sure the bulb is good. But what I'm doing, I'm going to take the two bolts out of the top, the headlight, because to remove the fog light from the top, you have to remove the headlight. So you got a 10mm right here and 10mm right here on the headlight tab. And as you can see, if you torque these down too tight, they split. These two headlight tabs will split. And this is on my 2000 Maxima 3.0. I just converted the upgraded to the 2002 2003 headlights using a harness, a plug and play harness right here that I got someone to make me plug and play harness. So as you see, this is the connector right here for the that comes off the car for the 01 and the 2000 and 2001. And I got a connector plug and play harness to use my HIDs and everything from the 02 to 03 headlights on my 2000 model. See, I got my car, it's my project car really. So I got my transmission out, starter, battery removed, and I'm just working on it. So I'm gonna take out this fog light. And I decided to just make a quick video on it to process how you do that. So let me set my camera up and I'll show y'all what I got going on. So right here I'm going to use, you can use a ratchet, you know, or you could use a wrench, ratcheting wrench. Use a ratcheting wrench, 10mm. You can use that, or you can use a ratchet with a 10mm. Doesn't matter. See, those tabs are screwed down a little too tight, and that's why they crack. That one out. And we got one here. These are plastic, man. You can't tighten these down too tight because you're gonna mess them up, you know. And to get the headlight out, I'm gonna go ahead and disconnect the harness plug. I'm gonna disconnect that. So you gotta disconnect this one right here, which is factory on the 02, the 2000 model. But I'm plugging, this is the harness I got made. It comes from the whole harness plug to plug into my factory plug to power everything. You got your headlight. See right here, I can unplug it since I got this, and I don't need to, really take everything out. But to get the headlight out, the headlight is on this side. You have a little tab that sticks in. So when you pull the headlight out, show you how that's. You see right here. See that little plastic piece? I'm gonna pull it all the way out and show you. And the only difference is you got your HID unit set up here. So you want to pull this headlight out. You want to be careful not to damage your fender. See, pull it out. I'll show you that tab. See, the tab usually falls in here. See the tab right here? This little, it goes into here. See, as you can see, mine's broke. Always, these things always break, man. They get hard and brittle. But it goes into here, so it locks into your fender part. It locks into your fender part, which is right here. See that hole? Hole right there. This goes into here like that. Yeah, so we got the headlight out. This is the harness. I'll show you guys how the harness is put together. So we got the plug here. This little tab. They can do it with one hand.